Hi, I'm Nikki DeRoest and I'm the clean beauty makeup artist for bareMinerals. And today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite products, starting with skin prep, because I believe that is the most important part of any makeup application. And once I show you that, then I will go through and show you some of my favorite products that I use for an everyday clean beauty look. Okay, so as I mentioned, skin prep is so important to me, and skin confidence. So that's why I love using bareMineral products, because they're all clean and I never have to worry about if it's going to compromise the health of my skin. Right now, I don't have any makeup on, but before I filmed this, I actually cleansed my skin with the Oil Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil. Just one pump of this all over the face. It removes any impurities, even waterproof things, and it just feels so good. I have to share with you guys, this is such an amazing product. This is the Skin Longevity, and it's the Vital Power Infusion. So I always like to say that this is like a health shot for your skin, and this is the perfect product. This is very important to talk about. This is the Complexion Rescue Defense. This can go on before your makeup application, and it will protect you from your cell phone, from your laptop. If you're outside and the pollution hits your face, it will defend it and slide right off. Okay, so we are all prepped with our skin. You could see how easy that was. And now I want to move on to makeup. So if you know me, you know that I love a glow. And this is actually the original product that Bare started with. So I just tap a little bit of this into the lid of my product. I swirl it around, make sure I don't have too much on my brush, and then I can just buff it into the skin. This bareMinerals Bare Skin Concealer is so beautiful. It's a serum concealer, and it's really, really easy to use. I think if you are a little bit drier, this is the perfect solution because it just kind of melts into the skin, but you still get a lot of really beautiful coverage. So I like to apply it just straight from the tube, and then I always prefer to use my ring finger because then I'm not putting too much pressure around my eyes. I like to use the Gen Nude, and this color is called Beige for Days. So this is what I like to call kind of almost like a little bronzy contour. So I'm starting this just right at the point of my ear, right here. And I just start kind of swirling and diffusing to create a little bit of a contour. And then I just go through and put a little bit as well onto the apples of my cheek. So we define first, and then we just give a little bit more color onto the face. And then I simply move on to eyelashes. And for days that I'm going for a really natural look, I love this Love Every Lash mascara. It really picks up and discovers every eyelash. It really defines everything. And you can definitely build it if you want more lashes, but it's a great base to start with. So depending on the day, I can do just one coat, or if I want to add a little bit more, I can keep going with it, but I like that I have that control. Then I just want to add a little bit of definition to my eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Brow Master. So I really am only going to start on the outer corner and just kind of create some hair-like strokes. And then I'll take the spoolie, kind of comb it through and blend and make sure that it all looks really, really diffused and natural. We're almost done. I'm just going to end with a little bit of the Gen Nude, and this is called Boy Toy. Lovely. And this is a nice gloss lacquer, I like to say. Really easy to apply. I always like to wear a little bit of a coral pop. So I always apply straight from the tube, but I always like to blend with my finger because I think it just really diffuses the product and makes it look really natural. So that, my friends, completes my clean beauty look. It's very, very simple, but as you can see with all the bareMineral products, it's just so fresh and beautiful and easy and effortless so that you can really let your inner beauty shine. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye.